That would be my starting point. I just started at. Someone left their scooter out here. Well, it is the same thing. It is the same scooter. I hope whoever left it, hopefully they'll come get it. Figured I'd back around the elementary school. Of course. So I live by there. That's why. I thought that was my friend Melissa. No, it wasn't. I miss her though. I miss her a lot. She's always been a good friend of mine ever since I saw her. Since when I was a freshman in high school. She was a junior. I remember when she was a junior in high school. I remember that. That was wonderful. And there's some kids playing. Indeed they are. Yeah, they're having fun. Brings back some fun childhood memories of mine. I miss my childhood memories. I still remember them always. Never forget those memories. Nope. Where do these birds come from? Ooh, birds, seriously. Oh, okay. Okay. I think I knew that. Walk on a bike. Because I don't want that to happen. No. At least it's not too extremely hot, which is good. Thank goodness. down, drivers. Please. Good thing I saw the branch there. I saw in front of me just a few seconds ago. Whoa. Okay. Oh well, not worried about it. This is definitely my first lap through the neighborhood. I figured I'd do this every... Hello. Like I was saying, I should probably do this every evening. And darn it, I freaking slept in all day. Crap. I mean, I slept until almost around 4:30. Why do they keep doing that? Seriously. I know why. It's because I'm up all night. Even that's the problem. As soon as that sun sets down, it'll definitely be night. And it'll be dark by that time. I miss my friends, Alyssa Murray, Alyssa Nicholas, Irina, and all of my friends that I've known from high school. I miss all of them. Wish I could see them again. You know, I got things to do. Honestly, my friend Irina has officially graduated from ASU. Congrats to her. And same as my cousin Izzy. She graduated from high school. Congrats to her as well. And now, soon, it'll be William's turn, because he will be definitely graduating in 2026, I believe. If I can predict that, though. I don't know, though. I don't know. To my honest opinion, I don't know if I can predict that, though. I can't predict the future. And obviously, my cousin Colton started high school this year. Well, started last year, I mean. Well, actually, he started this year. Never mind. Well, actually, that was right the first time. He did start this year. So pretty much, he'll definitely be he's now a freshman. well, was a freshman, now is a sophomore. The reason why I say that, the reason why I say that is because his friends got his freshman year. And I see a helicopter further away from where I'm at. Probably one of those MD helicopters, maybe, I don't know. Who knows? It could be. I'm not sure. I'm not too worried about it. No, I'm not. If I was worried about the helicopter, then yeah, I would be, but I'm not worried about the helicopter. It's just a helicopter. What's wrong with that? Obviously, I've seen helicopters everywhere so many times. The reason why I say that is because they're always everywhere. I had a circle somewhere else on the street. I'm not worried about it. I'm not gonna worry about that. I should worry about myself. Worry about what I'm doing. Doggy. Pitbull. She does. Good thing I was watching cars. It would be fun if I actually did bike to Tempe Town Lake, but I don't know. That would definitely not be a good idea for me to do that. Nope. So that was my second lap when it started. Well, I'm on my second lap right now. Probably gonna do 5 laps. Get it over with. Well, I mean just 5 laps, I mean. So I got 3, 4, 5, so that's about 3 to go. Or maybe I could just bike around the neighborhood before the sun sets. What is it? Oh, it's 6:42. Man, I've been biking for a while now. Oh my gosh. I've been biking for 14 minutes. Well, almost 15 minutes, I mean. Well, let me stop. Let me just stop. What time does the sun set? What time does the sun set at? What time does that set at? Let's check. 7:42. Okay, it's 6:42 right now, so pretty much the sun will be going down by 7:42. So hopefully I'll get the chance to film the GoPro use my GoPro to film the sunset as the sun goes down, hopefully. Whoa! Okay, that was a bumpy landing. Okay. I'm not on a plane. I'm on a bike, for crying out loud. The reason why I figured I would go biking around this neighborhood is why not? It's fun. Now I hear a helicopter coming. Terrific. Probably Phoenix PD, I believe. That's always like Phoenix PD. Oh, wait a second. I'm gonna check the flight radar and see what helicopter that is. Oh yeah, this Phoenix PD. Where are they going anyway? Seriously, where are they going? There's so many cars coming. Oh, no cars, good. Just want to make sure. Like these. No, on the third map. Oh well. I'm still gonna watch the sunset while I'm biking. Really why not? Here goes our dog book. Terrific. My hair's starting to sweat. Because I have my helmet on, that's why. Well, I mean, I got, since this is my third lap, so 4 or 5. So 2 to go. Good thing I'm on the sidewalk. That driver right there in the black car is gonna turn. That's why. Okay, there's one car coming. There's a car distant away. It's not that close. Good. crosswalk up ahead. Are you serious? I don't know why that guy had to jaywalk. I don't know why that guy had to jaywalk. It's not legal to jaywalk. It's not a good idea either. Good thing that was not me. Because that guy, he shouldn't be jaywalking. Because it's not legal to jaywalk. There's a crosswalk up ahead. Like that guy cannot even see it. And that's on him. Because people like that shouldn't be jaywalking. It's ridiculous. There's a guy walking the buggy. Looking at German Shepherd. It was. No, it was not. Actually, why did I think German Shepherd? It's kind of like a golden, looks like a golden retriever a little bit. Maybe? I don't know. Now this is my fourth lap. But still, that guy who just jaywalks across the street like that, I hope he learns. Jaywalking is not allowed. It shouldn't be allowed in the first place. And people who wear dark colors like black shirt or black pants or colored pants or whatever clothes they wear, when it comes to walking the crosswalk or jaywalking, that's legally jaywalking. Drivers cannot see them. Because what if someone gets hurt? What if someone gets hit by a car? Who's responsible? Them. Not the drivers, the people who jaywalk. People like that should be jaywalk. My garage door was never open like that before. I rode by here. Oh, it's a little bit open. I think someone inside that house is probably opening up the garage door, I believe. Who knows? I'm not worried about it. No. Come on, Brady, go. That bird was about to come on the sidewalk. It wouldn't be that fun for that little bird to run right out on the sidewalk. I'm on the bike, and birds like that would possibly get hit by a bike and get run over. Okay, there's no cars going over. Good thing there's no cars. Which is good. I'm glad. Because I really don't want to do it running over birds. That would be really terrible. Cute little birdies. I like them. Always. I'm getting bumpy on the seat. Good thing my GoPro is still recording, which is good. Heard a dog barking. It's just Same dog as usual. Same dog barking. Oh well. Figured I'd take a drink because I'm thirsty. That's why I filled up my water bottle. For that reason, so that way I could stay hydrated. Obviously, if I did rode my bike to downtown Phoenix, it would be a long, long bike ride back home. I'm not gonna take that risk. Wish I did though. Wish I did. It would not. It would be much funner though if I did. The reason why is because I would have to take the light rail from the Metro Park Mall, the Metro Center Mall, the old Metro Valley train station, Delmo train station, the light rail train station, whatever you call it. I might have to go from there, do a Dunlap, straight through Central. Phoenix. But obviously, I missed this. What's this guy doing? He's not a jaywalker. Jaywalking. There's a crosswalk up ahead. There's a crosswalk up ahead. Seriously, are these people not paying attention? Seriously, what's the matter with these people? There's cars coming. There's cars driving by. Can they not see that? Seriously, what's the big deal here? Come on now. Why can't people just not do this? Seriously. This is ridiculous. Finishing up my 4th lap. Now I'm on to my 5th lap. Oh, great, this car is terrific. Good. Why does that matter? There's another one. Oh, okay, there. Okay, they're turning that one over. Good. And there's a lady right there. Terrific. I'm gonna get off the sidewalk. Hello. Hey, Loogie. I have a dog at home named Socks. The Z. Okay, it's 6:58, so I've been biking for 30 minutes. That's a long while. Well, that's great. I can't believe we've been biking for 30 minutes now. I'll just bike around the neighborhood before the sun goes down. Well, it is going down actually. Oh, okay. Thank you. At least they saw me. I saw them.
Distance 1.0 miles.
We're going until their house. Oh, this is going to their house. I like the good view of the sun going down. Beautiful sunset coming down anyway. Okay, he's crossing. Okay, never mind. So that driver will wait. Oh, that light I just rode past is green. So that guy is safe. Oh, great. I see someone walking a dog. Might as well just go on the bike lane. Because I don't want to run them over. No, I don't want it. I gotta be careful. I gotta care for their safety. Okay, this truck's about to turn. Go on, man. Go. Well, it's the same people I just saw earlier. Okay. It was the same car I saw earlier. I was going towards that house. Same helicopter I saw an hour ago. Phoenix PD. Where are they going anyway? Well, let's see, they control the city. Right. Same lady I just saw earlier. I'm gonna get out of the way. So that way I don't. Now. Okay, it's 7:04. Let's see how many minutes. Jeez, I've been biking for 36 minutes. Well, almost 37. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's 7:05, so I've been biking for almost 37 minutes. Well, 37 minutes now. Pretty long time though. Indeed it is. It's sprinklers. I need to stay hydrated. Oh my gosh. And there's the same kid I saw earlier playing in the grass. Well, I'm just gonna grab the cycle. I'm not going nowhere. Reaching the sunset point. There's that Deer Valley Community Center. Well, Deer Valley Center. Good thing I wasn't crossing that because that car was turning in there. Yep. Sure was. Sorry. Didn't see you there. Where did he even come from? I didn't even see him there. What the heck? I didn't realize that guy was just right on the sidewalk. Same with me. I didn't even see him. Jeez, I didn't even see that guy there. But now I did. This is why I need to pay attention to people who are riding their bikes on the sidewalk or on the bike lane. With those things, yeah. Okay, it's 7-Eleven. Let's check out my bike. Okay, I've been biking for 43 minutes. Jeez. Can't believe I've been biking for that much minutes. Oh my gosh. I've been biking since earlier. So pretty much just gonna bike around the neighborhood till that sun goes down all the way. So that way oh, that was kind of terrifying at first. Good thing I did not fall off the bike. Come on, bird, go. Thank you. Terrific. Good. Honestly, if I held an event in my neighborhood, basically a biking event, it would be a lot of fun though. I don't think that would work. Because, you know, HOA, they can be really annoying at times. figured I need that drink of water. There's another helicopter coming. Terrific. Bring it on Phoenix PD. Yep, that's possibly another. That's probably the second Phoenix PD or the same one. It could be the same one, I believe. I don't know. And there it goes. Okay, I've been biking for 49 minutes. Almost close to 50 minutes. Oh my gosh. So people don't have a problem with biking around this area. I hope not. I'm not bothering anyone. I'm not weird to anyone. I'm not causing problems to anyone. I'm biking. If people want to have problems with me, fine. I'm not gonna deal with this. I'm not gonna deal with crap. I'm not gonna deal with that crap. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Crossing, lady. I'm not crossing. Whoa. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, it's my mom and dad. What the hell? What? Okay.
Going to the store.
I know. I see that. Be careful. No. I'm biking until the sun goes down, Mom. I'm gonna keep biking until the sun goes down all the way. Hello. Hello. Hi, Dougie. Huh?
He just doesn't like bikes.
Oh, okay.
Maybe if he comes up to one, see, it's not going to kill him.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, he's probably scared of the bike.
Yep. You're okay, buddy. See, nothing's going to happen.
You're fine, boy. You're
Be
fine.
Nice.
It's
There
okay.
you go, buddy.
You're fine. You don't have to be afraid of me. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, you don't want to go. Hey, don't
All
bark, don't
right,
bark.
that's enough for you, Lloyd.
Well, have a good day.
You too. Thank you
You're welcome.
for letting him pick up the bike.
Yeah. Bye, Dougie.
Bye. Have a good night.
You too. I like that dog. And that person is right. His dog is definitely scared of bikes. That's okay. I'm not worried about that. Well, she is right though. She is right. I don't blame her. Nope. So I did, didn't you? No. Nothing. dog is kind of friendly. Her dog is friendly. Sometimes her dog always barks. That's not a problem. I like dogs. I guess that garage door is closed now. It was halfway open a little bit earlier, a while back. But not anymore. Oh well. There's that same lady house I saw earlier. Just go on this side of the sidewalk. Yeah, I figured that. Because